Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Funda. In this lecture, we will learn how to convert a decimal number to its corresponding octal number. When we are converting decimal number to its corresponding octal number, we have to follow certain rules. Here I am given 3 rules. Follow that rules so that we can solve our problem. Just note down the lines so that it is better for you in future. Here our example is that is 83. What is our example? Our example is 83. Now we want to convert the corresponding decimal number to its corresponding octal form. So how to convert 83 to its corresponding octal form? Remember, previously I have given the 3 rules. Follow that rules here. Take the decimal number, that is my decimal number is 83. Divide by 8. Why 8? Because we are converting from decimal to octal, so our destination place is octal, so we are dividing by octal. So divide the number by 8. The quotient is like that, and the remainder is 3. So record the remainder. Again take quotient, divide by 8, then you will get quotient is 1 and your remainder is 2, so record the remainder. Again quotient is 1, divide 1 by 8, then you will get that is your remainder 1, record the remainder, that is 1. As we know, when we are converting decimal to octal, just write down the reminders, and the reminders to be written from bottom to top, So here my bottom value is right now 1, then 2, then 3. So that is 123. Base is how much? That is base is 8. So my decimal number is 83, base is 10. After converting, we will get what? That is 1, 2, 3. Let's take another example in form of decimal. Look at here. For converting a decimal fraction to its corresponding octal fraction, there are some rules are given. Just write down the rules so that it is better for you in future. Look at here. Suppose there is a decimal fraction is there and we want to convert its corresponding octal. Suppose our example is like that 0.3125, that is 0.3125. When you are converting a decimal number or decimal fraction to its corresponding octal number, what we will do? Just multiply 8. Just multiply 8 with the decimal fraction. That means here we have to multiply 8 with which value? That is the decimal value. So our decimal value is 0.3125. Multiply 8 with 0.3125. After multiplying, what we will get? We will get that is 2.5. After multiplying, we will get what? That is 2.5. So look at here, we are getting here 2 values, before decimal place and after decimal place. So record the value, the integer value which you are getting before decimal place. So my value is before decimal place, that is 2. So record that. And after decimal place is how much value? That is 0.5. Again take 0.5 and again multiply with 8. What we will get? We will get that is 4.0. What we will get? That is 4.0. So before decimal point you will get that is 4. So record 4. And after decimal point what we will get? 0. So there is no need to multiply with 8. There is no need. Why? Because after decimal point we are getting 0. What is the result here? The result is like that. Just write down from top to bottom. Write down from top to bottom. Here our top down value is that is 2. Then we are getting 4. That is 0.24. So our result is that is 0.24. So our decimal value is that is 0.3125, base is 10. We are converting its corresponding octal is 0.24, base is 8. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos, then definitely subscribe our channel, and if you really like our video, just like, or if you need some comments, or if you want that our video needs some development, give some comments. Thank you.